After Airtel with Perplexity and Jio with Gemini, ChatGPT is also offering its free plan for all Indians without any age limits. In this video, I'll show you how to claim 12 months of free ChatGPT Go plan, which is worth $399 per month. I'll give you important tips to remember so that you won't get charged a single rupee for this subscription. So watch till the end of this video. I'll be showing you two different methods to claim this offer. One is web, another is from mobile. So first, we'll look into the web version. So go to Google and then type ChatGPT and open its website. So here you need to log in with your email for which you want to claim this free offer. So immediately you should see this upgrade for free. So if you see just upgrade, then you should be cautious because you need to see this upgrade for free. So then only it would be free. Otherwise, if you are already paying customer, then they might not be giving you free offer. So click on this upgrade for free. Then you can clearly see it is right now mentioned as 0. And so these are the different features you get. First one is expanded access to GPT-5, then expanded messaging and uploads, which means that we can do more uploads and also search more than whatever was there in the free. So expanded and faster image creation, longer memory and context, limited deep research. So deep research is also limited because it uses so many tokens, and projects, tasks and custom GPTs are available to you. So here you can see the terms that it is available for 12 months, and after that it will be charging $399 per month. So you can cancel this anytime. So in the end of this video, I'll show you how to cancel that so that you won't be charged anything from the Autopay. So now you can click on upgrade to go. Now here you can see what is the email, what is the payment method, and here on the left side we can see what is the charges. So here you can see this coupon is applied, which means that you will get 100% off for 12 months. And then you can use card or UPI. If you are going to use a debit card or credit card, you have to cancel this auto pay after 12 months. You cannot do in between and you might forget. So for that, what you can do is you can simply use UPI. So UPI, you need to provide your name, address details, and then the VPA. So the VPA you can directly provide by using the PhonePe address. So I'll show you how to find that as well. So you need to go to your PhonePe, click on the name on the top and then click on the view UPI ID. So here in the below you can see UPI ID. So you can use that, copy this from here and then you can paste it here. That is UPI ID, and then you have to check this box so that it is trying to say that you will be charged after the completion of 12 months. So click on subscribe. Now you need to open your PhonePe and you will find this. That is the OpenAI LLC is asking for $399 and it is asking to set autopay. So don't worry if it is showing $399 because this is for only autopay and not for the current amount. So you can click on set autopay. Then you need to see all the details and then click on set autopay. So once you enter your UPI pin and click on done, autopay is completed. And I also got a message that mandate has been successfully created, and here also you can see this is complete. So you need to wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that it will refresh. So on the top you can see you are now subscribed to ChatGPT Go, and that's it. Based on this you will understand that ChatGPT Go is available for you and you will not get the top as upgrade. You can also check your settings, and under account you can see ChatGPT Go. So until next year you will have this option. Now let's look into the mobile way of accessing and claiming this method. So first you need to go to Play Store and search for ChatGPT, and then here you need to download this. So I can download or update like this, and once that is done you can open it. So now you can click on open, and if you see an option called upgrade like this, which means it is not for free, you have to pay $399. So for this, don't click on upgrade and then pay $399. So what you can do for this is you need to change or log out and then use a different account. So you can create or use a different account. So if you create a new account, with Gmail or any other account, then again you might see that upgrade for free. But don't make a mistake on clicking if it is shown as just upgrade. Now we can see here try Go free. So here, which means that it is free. So you can click on try Go. So on the top also you can see try Go free for 12 months. So that you need to understand. If it is not mentioned anywhere the free, then you don't have to click it. Try to create a new account like this. Then click on upgrade to Go. So here also you can see starting today 12 month free trial, and after 7th November 2026 you will be having $3.99. And here it will be taking your Play Store default card or the UPI. So you can click on it and change to use a PhonePe or Google Pay. So I'll use PhonePe and then click on slide to subscribe. So here it will just ask for 2 rupees and then it will again refund that. So click on this and set. You need to enter your UPI pin and then Autopay is set successfully. And then I got something like this for Google Pay purchase. I'll click on none and click on OK. So it is asking me whether to add this as a backup method. I'll say no thanks. For the first time it didn't show it is upgraded. So what I have done is I just logged out and logged in again and clicked on the name. So here you can see the subscription right now I have is ChatGPT Go. So you need to just don't have to attempt second time. You need to log out and log in so that you can see this subscription as ChatGPT Go. That's it. Now you can see the ChatGPT Go is available for you. And next important thing that you want to see is you need to delete the Autopay subscription or Autopay setup. So first you need to go to PhonePe, click on your name on the top and click on manage payments. So in the below you can find Autopay. So there are 2 places where I have done. So first one was web version. So I'll open this OpenAI LLC and come below. Here I can delete this Autopay and confirm and then enter your UPI pin. Now this Autopay has been deleted, which I have shown for the web version. Now again I have Play Store version, which is done from the Play Store. So I can click on it and go again, click on delete, confirm, enter your UPI pin, and that's it. This Autopay has been deleted. So you can see there is no ongoing Autopay, which means that you won't be charged even after 12 months. So you can use this ChatGPT Go for 12 months without any worry. And that's it for today's video. So what are you waiting for? Without further delay, claim this offer and upgrade your AI experience. If you found this video informative, please type helpful in the comment section below and smash that like button. Check out my other video on how to create a free student account in Azure Cloud and get $100 free credit from the top right corner or in the end screen. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in another interesting video.